Introducing Marvel's P-100B high-speed circular saw. The P-100B has a maximum cutting capacity of 4-inch diameter rounds and a minimum cutting capacity of 3/4 of an inch. The saw's fully automatic loading table has a capacity of 8,200 pounds. It can be set for continuous operation or for just one bar. Material is lifted and transferred to the shuttle table one piece at a time. An optional roller chain loading table to handle non-round material is also available in place of the standard gravity-fed loading table. The saw blade is controlled by a Mitsubishi servo in conjunction with a precision ball screw. This results in vibration-free cutting, optimum cycle times, and a surface finish of 64 RMS. The blade drive transmission is cooled by an oil bath lubrication system. The electromagnetic blade brake reduces vibration and helps prevent blade damage. The saw possesses 4 carbide blade guides and a powered blade brush to help extend blade life. It also has an automatic chip removal system. The automatic bar feed is powered by an AC servo motor and precision ball screw. The hydraulic floating vise jaws can accommodate crooked stock and have a pulling capacity of up to 1,320 pounds. An important blade-saving feature of the P-100B is the bar feed's ability to retract the material at the end of each cut, preventing the blade from contacting the material as the head retreats. The saw's 2 machine vise clamps and 1 machine vertical clamp are hydraulically operated and clamp the material on 3 sides. There is also an optional remnant reducing vise that can be installed. The user-friendly touchscreen control has storage for up to 9 different jobs and up to 21 different material types, with pre-programmed blade speeds and cutting rates. Its self-diagnostic feature monitors 18 separate saw functions. A large-capacity air filter keeps the environment around the saw clean and filters vapors from the mist lubrication system. The saw also features a hydraulically controlled sorting chute which can separate trim pieces and remnants from the finished parts. The Marvel P-100B